What can I say? Okay, inherent oil consumption. Breather. Note the sizes of these holes. See, they're quite a lot bigger. There's no failure in this shitty valve, but this one flows less. Now this hose, of course, snapped, so I'm making something up. This is reused, and yeah, this car in a matter of few thousand k's is fouling up all his plugs. So I'm beginning. I mean, I know they use a lot of oil, but what's going on here is oil is going into that pipe and being ingested into the engine. Okay, why on earth the camshafts are visible, and I don't know. But this is an afterthought. This is a problem. And when you have something like this, it's because the engine has too much flow, PCV flow. So disregard this. Don't get confused. Yeah, these govern so much. So don't block them, but yeah, try that. And I can't go into now blowing in there, and yeah, like it's a one-way check valve. It's a turbo as well, but yeah, this one flows less. It's not the only area of flow. Hang on. So this flame trap or oil separator is a piece of hardware that's fixed. It serves no mechanical purpose but to obviously shield the oil away. I mean, this is just, what can you say? You know, and they make it that when you push these back, it all breaks this in the future, and typically rotten. Okay? And for you people, I don't care, but when you say, as of no help, get fucked. Right? Get fucked. Okay, I'm taking my time out at fucking, yeah, get that? To make a quick video to help people. So if I don't tell you what bolts to undo, then, you know, abuse me more, I like it. But if you know, these videos are for people who have some basic understanding or more. Okay, I'm not going into what this does. I didn't make it. Okay, and the customer just couldn't understand. So I showed him this. Okay. Okay. Mazda. Ford Econovan, Telstar, every Mazda, every car has a positive crankcase ventilation system. This takes it to new extremes. Now the E90 BMWs have a heated element and stuff to bring the oil back down. So it's not just these, and you might notice that the E90s you'll see blowing white smoke as well sometimes. So I'll get back to you on the results of this. Only time will tell. But the car needs a catch can like a high performance car. It's faulty. It's faulty. Okay, they need to take the motor out and put a different one in, or a different rock cover. Okay, and you can just see the complexity of these cars. If you're going to overheat these cars, I mean, are they serious? Are they fucking serious? Like, what's so good about it? You know, and here's Not enough that it's, it's starting to leak oil there. It's 50,000 Ks. It's had a history of this, you know. Shocking. Absolutely shocking stuff. I'll get back to you on the results of this. There is going to be a reduced flow here. The problem is that the oil. The oil is vaporizing. Okay, it's draining, it's misting and liquefying there. Okay, there's too much oil flow. Simple, full stop. Okay, all you got to do is put a little bottle there and drain it out and monitor. I very much doubt that any of these engines are actually faulty, as in the ring clearances and stuff. Okay, this is all a PCV issue. Okay, and there's nothing apparently failed with these. Okay. Wonder what the Yanks would do. They wouldn't put up with this shit. This is a class action. Absolutely a class action. And what? There's an S line and an R line and what? Like, when you can't get the basic car right, it's like the Focus. I mean, I can only imagine what's going to happen to those Focus turbos and that. I mean, when you can't get a basic car right, why would I look at the what do you call them? S5, S3. I get them in. They don't do it for me, but I mean, get it right. First time. In one model the oil filter's up here, in the next model it's down there. Remember what I taught you guys as well about Audi, that the engine bay, you got a nice car, and there are sacrifices, but I mean, look at the center line of the wheel, and the engine. Look where the engine is. It's 3 cylinders are over the front axis. Okay, but these engine bays inherently create more problems than the Volkswagen platform. Same thing, but crammed. Okay, and lots of squeaks from the suspension. Really, really squeaky. We'll get back to you on that. Okay. Deliriously yours.